Hi there again. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. On today's Fixation 500, we're going to go over how to fix a Samsung Gear Fit that is stuck in the endless boot loop. I've had this watch broken for about a year, and I finally played with it today, and I figured out how to fix it. On the back side of the watch, there's a little adhesive dot that you can remove. Underneath that is the hard reset button. If you use a paper clip, hold this down for about 30 seconds and the watch will vibrate. Once it vibrates, it will reboot and ask you to pair. You have to pair through the Bluetooth to download the Fit app because it's no longer available. Hope this video helps and keeps a few Gear Fits out of the trash can.